Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And let me tell you, Anna Griffin does not disappoint with this Anna Griffin Impression Dies Finishing School Craft Box. The combination of dies, ink pads, and education will allow you to take your crafting to the next level. The dies are substantial, highly detailed, and work so nicely when I send them through my die cutting machine. There are floral designs. It's just such a wide and vast variety of different types of dies. And the ink colors allow you to create different types of cards or great additions for your journaling. The included instructions are very comprehensive, and they give you inspiration for so many different ideas, along with details to access the online instruction. This Anna Griffin Impression Dies Finishing School Box can be used over and over again to create wonderful crafts and handmade cards. The education is phenomenal, and I highly recommend this for beginner crafters as well as seasoned crafters. And that's my point of view.